Hi gamers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the quick play option, how to play in quick play option. So let me choose a team here and then choose the over, 2 overs. And if you want to play more than 10 overs, you should pay some coins for 20, 30 and 50. So you can choose difficulty, easy I'm choosing. You can customize your team, the pattern colors, jersey, accessories colors. So I already preset it, so I'm just going. And I have the Roma stadium, which is only 100 coins. If you want, you can choose any of other stadiums, but they are a bit costly, 2500, starting from Hyderabad. So I'm choosing green and starting the match. So here you have two options, which is watch video and spend coins. If you want to buy the Roma stadium with spending coins or watching a video, so I better elect the spend coins, so I don't want to waste my time. You can edit the role, you can edit the player name. After that you can press on save. So let me start. Okay, the coins are not refundable again, so I'm starting the match. So I choose heads and oops, unlucky tails, sorry, that didn't go too well. Opponent has won and chosen to ball first. So let us bat. So it has the same things which were there in the test, but a little difference. That is, in test you have the loft meter, but here you can choose the loft option whenever you want. There's no loft meter to choose. And so this here sprint option also, if you want to run faster to avoid dive, you have the sprint also. It's a 4. So today I'm going to show you the settings also, what are there in settings. So see the video till the last. So it's over up. You get an ad now. When you tap to play, you get an ad. Then you get the wagon wheel. So another over. I usually elect the sprint option because the batsman can run more faster than the normal run option. So I prefer you also to choose the sprint option. If you're getting late, also if you choose the sprinting option, you can choose the dive. So last 2 balls to go. And it's the last ball. And it's a 4. So innings over. Then it's the batting chance for the Australians. So it has the same bowling options you have in the test. So Here in the spin you'll have the ball like this. Just choose one option because I didn't show you spin option in the last video. So first ball is 6. So you have the same options in the fielding setup also. Let me show you in the next ball. So when you go to fielding, you'll have the manual. If you want, you can change. Yeah, over. I have at least 4 fielders inside the inner circle. So let me bring out this fielder here. So it's very interesting match, guys. Let me see if he's a right hand batsman. And let me bring this fielder a little bit here because he's a right hand batsman. So here Australians need 5 runs from 8 balls. So it's a 4 man. It's becoming difficult. So let me change this side. It's a catch. Yes. It's over up and the last ball is a catch. So the another over should be very careful. So you get to add over here again. If you don't want, you can go back and again press the WCC2, then the ad won't come. It's a small tip. So let me choose a fast bowler. So it may be a catch. Come on. Yes. 2 wickets back to back. So another batsman coming in. I should be very, very careful. So it may be another catch. Come on, boys. It's another catch. So I'm bowling in the same length. So they need only 1 run from 3 balls. It may be a tie. It may be a catch. Come on. Oh no. It's a 4. They won. So even you can try this quick match. So Australia won by 7 wickets. It was very close. They had 2 balls left. So have some basic graphics. So I'll get the man of the match also here. Yeah. So Glenn Maxwell, man of the match, has taken 2 wickets. So watch the best moments from your match here. So if you want, you can download the highlights. So let me download the highlights. Saving highlights. It's saved. So let me go to the home and show you what are all there in settings. So you should go to the last to check the settings. So here you have settings option. When you go there, you'll have the graphics, low, medium, high. You can choose anything you want. Sound, BG music is 70% in-game sound effects, 7% crowd, 70%. You can change it also. So you have some camera and controller. First one is camera baller and controller classic. Second one camera baller and controller pro, control with two hands. So then you have the batting camera batsman's end, then controller classic, then camera batsman's end, control pro. You can choose anything, but the camera baller and controller classic is the default you get. And infographics on, wagon wheel on, tutorials off, ball simulation on, action replay on, batting timer meter on. So commentary, that's commentary on, commentary level 100%, and you can choose the language Hindi and English. And here in this game Hindi is free, you believe it or not, Hindi is free. And then you have match and share. You can see the highlights here. So saved highlights. I don't have any friends, so no friends highlight will come. So here you have some missions. The missions you have: win challenge a friend, win 10 challenges, lose matches, lose 50 matches, rewards 250 XP, win matches, win 50 matches. So level 1, my XP 4, target XP 700 and 500, so 7500. And here you have skip mission. I have insufficient coins, so I can't skip it. So here I have the cheer your team. So you can, there are so many banners here, so you can write your own slogan here. Cheer. Games. You can choose whatever you want. Save. Yes. Okay. And you have the Hall of Fame and Hall of Shame. So Hall of Fame, you have Ballers Delight, the Run Feast. You have so many things. And Hall of Bloopers, you have the Misadventure, Golden Duck, Fireballs and Chopsticks. You have this and all. So you'll get an ad again. Just ignore it and just press this option. So here you have the statistics. This is the main setting. So matches played 2, lost 2, runs scored 63, balls played 61, 4 6, 6 is 2. Hall of Fame 0, Hall of Shame 0, centuries 0, wickets 0, wickets 4, and runs scored 63, the same thing. And tournaments 1, 0, because I didn't pay anything. And then if you want, you can share this. If you want, you can take the printout also. In my next video, I'm going to show you the tournaments, what are all there in the tournaments, and how to play a match in tournaments. Until then, be home, be safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.